Welcome to SM-Trendz Cooking. Today we're going to make a prasadam sweet. Yum, yum. It looks amazing, doesn't it? I know you guys want to eat it. You can make it in under 10 minutes flat. It's a simple sweet you can use for festivals. Let's start. So you're going to need 1/4 cup of ghee. Add it in. And you're going to need 1/2 cup of wheat flour. And then you're just going to mix it up. And it all just forms sweet. I know you guys don't believe it, but it's true. Just flour and ghee. And done, your sweet is formed. You can add a few cashews and raisins, a few nuts to give a good taste. But really, it's just mainly it's flour and ghee actually. But you're going to keep mixing it in low-medium flame until everything is roasted well. And it makes a great festival sweet. It is very sweet. I guess that's how sweets got their name. And after it's roasting, you can see that it's kind of changing its color. Barely. So there it is, all getting roasted up in the pan. And it just gets roasted and roasted and roasted until it forms a delicious sweet. But we are going to add a few more ingredients to it. After it's done though, it's kind of like a dough. You can form it into any shape you want. It's pretty cool, but it's like sweet dough that you can eat. Now you can see that the raisins are kind of starting to pop up. Like that. They're popping up from under all the flour and ghee mixtures. So you can see all those raisins popping up from under there. There's a few. Hard to see. But you can literally kind of just see them. And it's tip time. When the raisins pop up, then you will know that the flour is roasted nicely. So the raisins are popping up, so you know that the flour is roasted nicely. Now you're going to add 1.5 cup of hot boiling milk. Whew, be careful guys, it's boiling. And you're just going to mix it all up. The sweet, I know it has a lot of flour and ghee in it, but I'm pretty sure it's mainly made of milk. You got to keep mixing with low flame though. But I'm pretty sure it's made with a lot of milk because, it's a lot of milk in there. So, basically like a few wet ingredients and dry ingredients making a sweet batter. They're like in unity. Nice. So they're mixing. Now it kind of looks bumpy and it kind of looks like weird. But after you keep mixing it for a while, you can make it all smooth and you get a good texture. So you can see all of that good, nice, soft, smooth texture everywhere. And now we're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. This gives a lot of sweet taste to it. It may seem like a lot of sugar, but it's not. It's actually pretty sweet. Very delicious. Super good. You can see all that mixing. You can see that it's being all mixed up in there. Nice and soft and smooth. It's kind of like some dough being all stretched all over the pan. You're going to add some cardamom powder. I don't remember a single sweet without cardamom powder. I think it's like a must-have for sweets, maybe, probably. And you're just gonna add 1 teaspoon of ghee. I know you guys might think like this is way too much ghee in here, but it's not. It's barely enough. But still, it's pretty delicious at the end. It's like waiting gives you a delicious reward. You're waiting and waiting and waiting for the delicious treat to be made. And here it is. It's finally ready. But thanks for watching, and make sure to try this at your home too. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!